What's good, people? It's VDust Tech. Today we are checking out the SoundPeats Engine 4. Now, huge shout out to SoundPeats for sending these out to the channel for review. But before we start talking about the earbuds, of course, we got to start off with the mic test. So this is the type of audio you can expect. You're in the car, you got to take a quick call. This is the type of audio you can expect. Let's go ahead and roll down the windows. All right, so the windows are down. You got to take a quick call. You got the air coming inside. This is the type of audio you can expect. What do you think? Do they sound good? Do they sound decent? Is it picking up my voice? Is it blocking out my voice? How are they doing? Not sure how they sound yet. I won't know until I go back and play this audio back. But yeah, this is a quick audio test for the Engine 4s. Let's go talk about these earbuds.
Coming in at $60, these have a lot of good things about them. Starting off with Bluetooth 5.3. That is a really strong connection. Just make sure you're updated to the latest firmware. Not gonna lie, when I first got the earbuds, I was having connection issues, but an update came through. Haven't had any issues since, so just make sure you're updated to the latest firmware and you will be good. They have high-res audio, LDAC, AAC, SBC, 1, 2, 3. Look, they have all of the codecs. You will be covered. The battery life on here is great. Now, they say up to 43 hours. I got, say, like 37 and a half hours using LDAC and around 80% volume, and close to 40 hours with multi-point pairing and 80% volume. I could not kill these in a single workday. That's all I care about. If I can get the start of my shift to the end of my shift and still have my music, my podcast, my audiobooks, yo, I am good. And if you really need to, you can extend them even further with single earbud use. Yes, you can use one at a time. Another W. You also have app support. Now, I'm not going to cover it too much because it's been the same for a while. If you've had a pair of SoundPeats earbuds within the last year and a half, it is the same app. But the good thing about this app, you can update your earbuds, you can change the sound modes, you can turn on and off features, customize your EQ. App support is almost a must with earbuds nowadays, and these have it. And best of all, look, they have multi-point pairing now. I believe this is the first pair that SoundPeats has released with multi-point, and I am here for it. I hooked it up to my TV, my tablet, my watch, my phones, everything to test it out. Didn't have any type of connection issues with anything. That is another huge win. Now, I think I actually have to backtrack because I said that multi-point was the best thing about these earbuds. I lied, you got me. It is what it is. The best thing about these earbuds is the sound quality. From what I can hear, these might just be the best sounding buds that they've released. Excluding none, the Opera 3, the Opera 5s, the Capsule 3s. These before that, if I can open the case, the H2 to me personally was the best sounding earbuds that SoundPeats had released. That's until these came out. These sound really good. They beat out their top tier earbuds when it comes to quality for me. So it would be like, audio wise, they sound really clear. 9 out of 10. They sound really good. These even have big bass, like 8.5 out of 10. I think even bass heads would be happy with these. Now, make sure you try all three of the different tips. Personally, for me, I can wear all three with no issues, but I mainly switch back and forth between the medium and larges. The larges give you that extra thump. And plus, the ear tips help with blocking out noise because these do not have ANC. So the passive noise cancellation on these are actually pretty good. If you look at them, you can see, if I can get it to focus, you can see how they, these might be also their best ear tips. These are pretty good ear tips. They block out a lot of the noise. You might think they have ANC because how good the passive noise cancellation is. Sadly, no ANC though. But these also have full touch controls. You can rewind your track. Finally, SoundPeats. That's all you needed to do. I'm good. Look, if I can bring that track back, full touch controls, that is I'm saying win a lot. You get it? But not all is good. There's a couple things that irritate me just a little bit, starting with this case. Look, I do not like this case at all. You can't look at it without getting fingerprints on it. It's really slippery, and I am not a fan of this color. I really don't like it. Now, on camera, it looks like it's just straight black, but it's like a dirty a dirty dark brownish. I don't like this case. Maybe it's just me. This case is not for me. Good thing the earbuds sound good, right? Another dislike I have is the volume. I had to listen to these around 80% volume. Most earbuds, I feel like that would be their 60% volume. These, you have to turn them up to 80. At least that's what I experienced anyways. I do not find these very loud. You can max them out to 100 and I would be good. I'm always finding myself that I wish they had like 1 or 2 more clicks. These did not get all that loud for me. That's just me personally though. You may think different. But my biggest dislike, you can't have LDAC and multi-point pairing on at the same time. You have to pick one. You either have to sacrifice sound quality or you have to sacrifice the new main headlining feature multi-point pairing. Really wish you can have both on, but you can't. For me, 90% of the time, it's gonna be multi-point pairing. I carry a lot of devices, so for me, it's gonna be multi-point pairing. What about you? Will it be LDAC or will it be multi-point? Or will you switch back and forth whenever you need it? 50%, 50%. For me, it's gonna be multi-point. Like I said, I carry a lot of devices. Really wish you could have both of them going at the same time. But overall, yo, these are a hit. Really enjoy the new boxing that they did too. This boxing is quality. I like this box just overall. The earbuds look good. They sound good. The case is trash. That's not the point. But yo, really enjoy these. Big sound, big bass. What else can I say? It's V Does Tech. I'll catch you in the next one. Later.